I've gotten a couple of requests on just playing around more with saving different files in Inventor, as well as changing the appearances. So I thought I would compile a quick little video to show you guys a little bit more about the different features. So just for demonstration purposes, if I create a new part right now, I'm going to make a little block, probably like a rectangle. So if I start a 2D sketch really quick, and I draw a rectangle, then I just extrude this. Then I have a little block. So now I can choose to save it. Yeah, I'll just save it in my downloads as. Okay, so I'm saving it as an IPT. And you see when I drop down, because it's a part file, I really don't have that many options. I can either choose to save it as an IPT or just all files. So that's basically it. And all files that doesn't actually really work. So you just save it like that. And you have small block. But alternatively, like I showed in one of my previous videos, how you really should save things if you want to save in more than one format, is you want to use this export. So if you click here, then you have a lot of different options. You can either export the file in the format of like an image, a 3D PDF, a normal PDF, or a CAD format, such like this as a step file, which is really handy when you want to share it with a lot of different people on different CAD platforms. Or you could change it to a DWG format, and so on and so forth. So really, if you want to save something and you want to make everything super versatile, what you really want to click is you want to go to this export area and then click this and then do that. So just to demonstrate, I guess I can save it as an image. I'm just going to save it as JPG. Okay, I'm going to save it like that. And then another demonstration. I'm going to save it as a CAD format. And then here I'm just going to change this to step file. So I'm going to save that. And then if I go ahead and I open this up, you can see here that what it did was it saved a small block.jpg based on basically just a picture of my block. And then, yeah, so that's just sort of how it works. It's pretty self-explanatory. So, something else. If I want to change the appearance. So changing the appearance of a part, it's actually not that difficult. So if you see this area up here on the top, there's a couple of different things. If you click this little one right here, click this, you can sort of change the color, right? You see, because I just selected that surface, I only changed the color of that surface. Alternatively, I could just, select everything. Yeah, but basically I can also just select different surfaces. I can change the color. You can use a lot more exact values. Everything is really just up to you. I can also change the material here directly. So I could change this to like iron. I could change this to stainless steel. And it doesn't make that much of a difference right now. But later, if I want to run simulations like here, that would be it would make a big difference whether I was running it on stainless steel or if I was running it on something else. Alternatively, if I save this, I can also just open up a new assembly. So if I open up a new assembly, okay, and then I place my downloads, this small block that I just created, I can also just work on changing some of the things here. For example, if I click this, I can change the color here. I could change this to like purple. So you can see here, all the changes that I'm doing in my assembly, it doesn't affect this part at all. Because this part, it's its own separate little entity. But in the assembly, in the context of something else, if I need it to be purple, if I need it to be something else, I can just change it here. So that's a little bit on how to change the different stuff and also how to save files in a lot of different formats.